This is Josiah with the Brick Library. Just going to do a build and review of the new... Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you say Batman?
Batman.
Batman? Can you say Batman? Yeah. Just doing a build and review of the new mini version of the Tumbler. Yeah? So I have the old large Tumbler, the old version. But I was excited to get this smaller version. And also the minifigures look pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and build this and I'll do a short review. Oh, I guess let me open it up as well. There's an instruction booklet. And we got a few, just a few stickers, not too bad. And we got bags 1 through 4. Here's the finished Tumbler, mini Tumbler. As far as minifigures go, you get Batman. He's got 2 different faces. And, well, on this headpiece, he actually has this separate headpiece from when the Scarecrow is seeing him under a hallucinogenic and he looks freaky in Batman Begins. So if you, oh, one other thing, most of the capes have like 2 holes and you fold them. I maybe have other capes like this, but there's just the 1 hole, so you're not trying to overlap the 2 holes and get it over the neck. But yeah, you got this other scary face from the hallucinating Scarecrow, which I think looks pretty cool. I don't think there's nothing like this they've had in any other sets previously. So that's cool. And then you have the Scarecrow. He's got his mask on, he's got his gas gun, and in the back, it's just the straps and stuff holding the mask together. And then as far as the Tumbler, I really don't have any complaints at all. There's a few stickers, they're not bad putting on. The detail for the size, and just to give you, I don't know if any, I'm sure some of you do Speed Champion sets. Like, compared to the Ferrari Tributo, you can see it's quite a bit bigger. It's got room inside for 2 seats, so Batman can have a date in here. You got Diana in here, apparently is his date. So you got a console in there. Let's see if we can, and the controls. There's a hook back here for his batarang, and it just looks very detailed, very true to the movie. For, I think this is 420 something pieces all together, and it looks great. I think I have the large one, I think I said earlier in the video. I've never actually built it. I'm sure that one's a lot more detailed, but for being a minifigure sized vehicle, this thing looks really good. The wheels are great. You got the 4 big beefy wheels on the back. It's got the little like little jet engine thing that gives him a boost when he's trying to jump it. You got all the flaps that are adjustable like in the movie. You also got the stud shooters in the front. The 2 here. Yeah, just solid set. It's pretty sturdy. I mean, there's things that are on hooks or that kind of clip on, and not all of them are going to stay on super well, obviously, but the set itself is very solid. My 2-year-old was playing with it and he loves it. But yeah, no issues with this one. I think it's great. And thank you for watching.
Car, driving.